Welcome to the Filipino lesson for beginners. We shall continue to learn more vocabulary and sentence construction before moving on to building conversations.
Kumusta ang iyong kalusugan?
Which means, how is your health?
Mabuti na kalusugan.
Which means, good health.
Mahirap na kalusugan.
Which means, poor health.
Hindi maganda ang kalusugan ko.
Which means, my health is not very good.
Wala akong gana.
Which means, I don't have an appetite.
Kumain ng prutas.
Which means, eat fruits.
Kumain ng mas maraming prutas.
Which means, eat more fruits.
Dapat kang kumain ng mas maraming prutas.
Which means, you should eat more fruits.
Uminom ng tubig.
Which means, drink water.
Uminom ng mas maraming tubig.
Which means, drink more water. This is a conversation between you and the doctor. The doctor asked,
Kumusta ang iyong kalusugan?
"How is your health?" You replied,
Hindi maganda ang kalusugan ko. Wala akong gana.
"My health is not very good. I don't have an appetite." The doctor prescribed some medicines and then recommended,
Dapat kang kumain ng mas maraming prutas, uminom ng mas maraming tubig.
"You should eat more fruits, drink more water." You were happy to get the doctor's consultation and responded,
Maraming salamat po, doktor.
"Thank you very much, doctor." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Kumusta ang iyong kalusugan? Hindi maganda ang kalusugan ko. Wala akong gana. Dapat kang kumain ng mas maraming prutas, uminom ng mas maraming tubig. Maraming salamat po, doktor. Anong ginagawa mo?
Which means, what are you doing?
Nagbabasa ako.
Which means, I am reading.
Nagbabasa rin ba siya?
Which means, is he reading too or is she reading too?
Hindi siya nagbabasa.
Which means, he is not reading or she is not reading.
Nagluluto siya ng pagkaing Pilipino.
Which means, he is cooking Filipino food or she is cooking Filipino food. We shall deal with another conversation between you and your mother. The conversation is taking place over phone as your mother inquired,
Kumusta? Anong ginagawa mo?
"Hello, what are you doing?" You responded,
Nagbabasa ako.
"I am reading." Your mother also inquired about your elder sister.
Nagbabasa rin ba siya?
"Is she reading too?" You and your sister were already famished, and she was in the kitchen to prepare something to eat. You replied,
Hindi siya nagbabasa. Nagluluto siya ng pagkaing Pilipino.
"She is not reading, she is cooking Filipino food." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Kumusta? Anong ginagawa mo? Nagbabasa ako. Nagbabasa rin ba siya? Hindi siya nagbabasa. Nagluluto siya ng pagkaing Pilipino. Nanood ako ng football sa telebisyon.
Which means, I was watching football on television.
Natulog ako.
Which means, I was sleeping.
Mahilig ka bang manood ng football?
Which means, do you like watching football?
Hindi ako mahilig manood ng football.
Which means, I don't like watching football.
Mas gusto kong manood ng basketball.
Which means, I like watching basketball. We shall conclude this lesson with another conversation between you and your cousin. You ask your cousin,
Anong ginawa mo kahapon ng umaga?
What were you doing yesterday morning? Your cousin replied.
Natulog ako. Ikaw?
I was sleeping, and you? You woke up early yesterday and tuned into the FIFA World Cup fixture between Portugal and South Korea. You responded.
Nanood ako ng football sa telebisyon. Mahilig ka bang manood ng football?
I was watching football on television. Do you like watching football? However, your cousin was more into NBA and replied.
Hindi ako mahilig manood ng football. Mas gusto kong manood ng basketball.
I don't like watching football. I like watching basketball. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Anong ginawa mo kahapon ng umaga? Natulog ako. Ikaw? Nanood ako ng football sa telebisyon. Mahilig ka bang manood ng football? Hindi ako mahilig manood ng football. Mas gusto kong manood ng basketball.
Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Filipino lesson, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.